Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be opening two Phantom Forces packs, and yeah, let's get started. I do know the card trick, yeah. Oh, and the best bit, barcode, and I don't know if it yeah, here's the code, 1, 2, 3, the front. We have a enhanced hammer. Can you see that well? A Feral, a special energy, a Swirlix, a Murkrow, a Zubat, a Bunnelby, a Fletching, reverse Golbat, and oh my gosh, is it hollow? No, it's not hollow. It's a regular rare Crobat. It evolves from Golbat. Oh, hello. Come on, really, like, oh, really? Nah, I'll just open the door a bit. You'll go out now. So yeah, not a very good card, but anyway, not very good cards. I'll just put them to one side. Anyway, there's some new ones to go into my binder. So yeah, gotta catch a Pokemon. Oh, was that a oh, I opened up the wrong one first. Aww. Gotta catch a Pokemon. Come on. Finally. Right, TCG, Pokemon card, 1, 2, 3, let's go. And we've got another special energy. Oh. Kingler. Looks pretty sick. Looks pretty, like, damn right cool. A Boldor. A Leo. Swirlix again. Zubat again. Whismere. Murkrow. Pumpkaboo. Reverse Hollow. Looks sick. And a Hollow Prior. Oh my god, that looks sick. That looks sick. Look at that. I got my hollows. I got my hollows. I got some hollows. Hollows. Hollow. I got some hollows. Right, so wrap up with the reverse hollows and the hollow. So yeah. So that's my first hollow in a while. I haven't had a hollow in ages. Right, hang on. There's a reverse hollow Pumpkaboo. There's a reverse hollow Golbat, which looks cool. And then there's the hollow Prior. So awesome. Yeah. So this will be it for this video, guys. I am gonna get some more Pokemon. So yeah. The Pokemon box that I'm getting isn't a booster box, it's a Japanese box with 2 EXs in, that you'll find out soon. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Don't know what it's gonna be, but anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye!